All right, hello world. Here we are with GoPro. You know, GoPros make you do stupid things, so we're underneath a house, and about from here to here is about 16 inches of space. Confined space, but what we're doing is restoring a sagging porch on a house. And as you can see, this house has some old wood here, and this has been damaged by termites. It's kind of hard to film under here, but you can see that there's a lot of termite damage. There was a piece of cister blocking here, took that out, and then you can kind of see under here all this termite damage. So what we're going to do is blow this out with a compressor, and it's going to blow stuff everywhere. And then we're going to fill this with wood filler. So now we blew that area out with the compressor so that we can fill that with wood filler. And since this porch sags almost, well, this is actually a room. It used to be a porch, and it sags about 1.5 inches. So we're going to put this board here, and it should fit like a glove. But again, we're working in a very tight space, so it's kind of hard to get in there. So that fits like a glove. We'll glue that in place. We'll shoot some nails in it, and then we'll do the same thing along this side. And this will support the floor, and then it'll provide some support to the existing rim joists. And then right here, we're going to add a new concrete pier, and we're going to jack this whole thing up to make it level with the rest of the house. We've just finished putting the putty in place. It's a real rough job because there's going to be a cister that comes along here, and that's going to cover all of this. So none of this is ever going to be seen, but it does cover some of the voids in the wood. It makes the wood a little bit stronger and provides a little bit of a repair. We've done some work down here, and then we'll come back after we put the cister in and fill all of this too.